Good morning, students. We are going to start a new lesson in history, the French Revolution. I think you already know a lot of information about France. France, located in European continent. Paris is the capital of France. The first topic of our lesson is causes of French Revolution. The causes of French Revolution divided into three sections. First one, economic causes or financial crisis. Second cause, social causes or inequalities in the French society. Third cause, the intellectual cause or the role of philosophers or the role of middle class. We can study about all the causes. First one, financial crisis or the economic causes. In the 18th century, France faced a financial crisis or the economic problem due to different reasons. First reason of the financial crisis in France during the 18th century was long years of war. Bourbon rulers ruled in France. During that time, the king or monarch conducted different kinds of war against enemy countries. During that time, king used a large amount of money in order to purchase weapons, to give salary to the soldiers, etc. It created financial crisis in France. Second reason of financial crisis was extravagant court or luxurious life of the Bourbon rulers. The royal court spent a large amount of money for their day-to-day expenditure. King and the royal family wore expensive dress, constructed very large palaces, etc. It created financial crisis or financial trouble in France. Third point was France helped 13 American colonies in order to get independence from Britain. Britain was the enemy of France during the 18th century. France was under the control of, 13 American colonies was under the control of Britain during that time. So, France helped 13 American colonies in order to get independence from Britain. This also created financial trouble or financial crisis in France. Second cause of French Revolution was social inequalities in the French society. French society divided into three estates. The clergies belonged to first estate, nobles belonged to second estate, common people belonged to third estate. And common people included peasants, traders, lawyers, businessmen, etc. The first two estates got some privileges in the French society during the 18th century. The privileges was nobles and clergies were exempted from paying taxes to the king. Only members of the third estate paid all the taxes in France. So these privileges based on birth created inequalities in the French society. Last, this inequality created French Revolution. Third cause of the French Revolution was role of middle class or influence of French philosophers. There were three philosophers lived in France. A lot of philosophers lived in France, but during the time of French Revolution, some philosophers lived. Then important philosophers were John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Montesquieu, Voltaire, etc. In our lesson, you need to study about only 3 philosophers of France. First one, John Locke. He wrote a famous book known as Two Treatises of Government. In his book, Two Treatises of Government, John Locke criticized the divine right of kingship and the absolute power of monarch. Divine right of kingship means God gave the right to the king to rule over France, or king became the representative of God on earth. That is why they get enormous power to rule in France. Absolute power of monarch means without considering the welfare of the people, king ruled according to their wish or their will. That known as absolute power. Another important philosopher lived in France during the 18th century was Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He wrote a famous book, Social Contract, or Rousseau was the author of the book Social Contract. In his Social Contract, Rousseau put forward the idea of representative government. People elect the representative, from that representative form the government. Here is the contract between the representatives and the ruler or the government. Another important philosopher was Montesquieu. He wrote a famous book known as Spirit of Laws. In his Spirit of Laws, Montesquieu explained about a new idea, separation of power. Separation of power means the power of government divided among different organs of the government like legislature, executive and judiciary. In order to avoid the concentration of power in one hand, divide the power of the government among the 3 organs. That was put forward by Montesquieu. The ideas of French philosophers discussed in the saloons and tea shops. That is why ordinary people got an idea about these philosophers. While they thinking about the condition of France during the 18th century, it was against the existing condition. So, people turned against Louis XVI and lastly created French Revolution in 1789.